Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your phone number to your Ubisoft account. Go ahead and click your account on the upper right, then go ahead and click on account management. It's going to open up a new window where you have account management. Now in this section here, I'm going to just quickly change my language on the lower right hand side here and put it into English. Scroll back up and now you have, for example, account management that you can see and understand. So I'm going to click on account information right there and scroll down and you will see private information section. Click on edit, scroll down to the bottom, and here you have the phone number. Click on add a phone number, and from here what's going to happen is going to send a verification code to your email. So click on send and just wait for the code to come to your email. I'm going to open up the email real quick and just copy that verification code that was sent to me. You will see it in a moment that I will receive that email with a verification code. It comes here. So here I should see the verification code that comes to my email. Here it is. Scroll down, I'm going to copy this code. Head back over to the Ubisoft, enter the verification code and click on submit. Here it's going to now allow me to set my, let's say, country code to whatever I need and then enter the phone number. As you can see right here, this is going to be a two-step verification. It said your phone number requires a security reason to include two-step verification and faster player safety in Ubisoft ecosystem.